Hello guys, recently I have faced a very annoying problem. The problem which is like, guys, take a look here. Like, we have venv virtual environment, we have created it without any problem. Oh, it's not clear. Oh, I forgot to stop it. Clear. So everything is clean. I can delete it without any hesitation. I delete it. Look, it says like the package is not found. It's obvious because we just deleted venv, like virtual environment. We're gonna create it again. Let's open new terminal, because that one was attached to deleted virtual environment. We're gonna create it from the beginning. Python 3 or Python, whatever it is, but mostly I'm a Mac user, so I use Python 3. Python 3-m venv, like it's the command, and after venv we name our virtual environment package, like the folder name. We can name like my venv or just venv itself. I stick with venv itself. I created, it's created, it has created. Now we will activate that one. How we gonna activate? We write this code: source venv bin and activate. As you can see, terminal is activated on our venv. Now we will download the packages that is written, like pre-written in our requirements text. What we're gonna do first, please make sure that your pip and Python is pointing to your virtual environment. How you can check it? You use this magic keyword which Python. As you can see, it says in the desktop we have folder E. Yes, it is venv bin Python. So it's directing to our display. Here is it, the Python. Okay, Python is coursing to the right direction, and we will check our pip. Is pip also on the right direction? Yes, it is. Now we can install our requirements from requirements txt file. You may say that it has been easily solved, the problem. Yeah, I know. For example, myself, I was searching the solution for 2-3 days. I couldn't find it. It was like very annoying. It was very annoying, you know. Like, I do like pip freeze and it shows all the packages, but here it says not found. It was very crazy. But as long as you primarily check your Python and pip directs to the right direction to your virtual environment, then you can install and it will work without a problem. Thanks. It was very short tutorial video about like how to solve this problem. We're gonna continue posting these useful, short, helpful lessons. Thank you very much. Continue following.